Winterizing your Danby portable air conditioner is a crucial maintenance step that many people overlook. Today, we'll explore why this process matters and the key steps involved. Proper winterizing extends your air conditioner's lifespan significantly and ensures it will operate efficiently when warm weather returns. It also prevents costly repairs that can result from neglect during the off-season. The winterizing process involves three essential steps that work together to protect your investment. These are cleaning, draining, and proper storage. Skipping these winterizing steps can lead to serious problems. Dust buildup reduces efficiency, trapped moisture causes corrosion, and improper storage can damage sensitive components like the compressor. Whether you have an older model or a newer Danby unit with smart features like Wi-Fi connectivity or dual hose design, the fundamental winterizing process remains the same. These three steps apply to all portable air conditioners. Remember the three essential steps: cleaning to remove dust and debris, draining to prevent moisture damage, and proper storage to protect components. In the next section, we'll walk through each step in detail. Step 1. Thoroughly clean your portable air conditioner. Start by removing and cleaning the filters every 2 to 4 weeks using a vacuum cleaner or mild soap and lukewarm water. Step 2. Drain all water from the unit. Locate and remove the drain plug or hose to release any trapped water. Then clean the drain pan to remove accumulated dirt and debris. Step 3. Dry the interior completely. Run the air conditioner on fan mode for several hours to ensure all moisture is removed and prevent mold growth during storage. Step 4. Store the unit properly. Place it upright in a cool, dry indoor location away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. This prevents damage to the compressor and other components. Step 5. Prepare accessories for storage. Carefully wrap the power cord to prevent tangling and damage. Remove the battery from the remote control to prevent corrosion during the storage period. Your Danby portable air conditioner is now properly winterized and ready for storage. Following these steps will help ensure your unit operates efficiently when you need it again next season.